Today I have another vise from the Forward Vise company that they asked me to review. It is the 0804 4-inch vise with a swivel base and a 4-inch anvil. It is a medium duty cast iron 30,000 psi 120 degrees swivel base with dual lockdown nuts, replaceable jaws, and a powder coated finish. And it only weighs 12.1 pounds. I'm going to zoom it in and show a few features of it that you can use. And one thing I did, I mounted it to this 2x6 with clamps so it could be moved around and be mobile. This vise is very similar to the 4.5-inch vise I reviewed, although it's not quite as heavy duty. It does have 2 lockdown screws on it. And I'm still working on this injured thumb. You can see it swivels really nice. I'm going to lock it back down and show you some of the features you can use with this. Like I say, I'm catering toward the knife and the firearms industry. I'm going to take a couple of little jaws that I have. And if you like to put paracord on your knives, this is good. You can put it in here. Clamp it down to do your paracord and feel safe about doing it without getting injured. Blades down here, it's sturdy. So you need to swivel it any way you want to make it convenient for you. I'm going to lock it down. I'm going to take the knife out and I'm going to unclamp it so I can show you some of the details on the underside of this vise. Really like these little clamps by Jorgensen. They work great. I wanted everyone to see the screw mechanism in here. And you can see how sturdy it is. And I have pre-oiled it like I did a couple other vices. And you can see down in here too. This is a great vise for what it's intended to. I like it because I mounted it to this piece of wood and I can take it anywhere I need to go. And I've mentioned in the past about taking a vise to the gun range. This would work great too. Now we're going to zoom out and I'll have a final thoughts on this. Over the years, I have found out there is no substitute for quality tools. I've always had a philosophy, if you buy the cheapest one and it breaks, then you go buy the good one. You've wasted the money on the first time. I do feel great that the Forward Vise company has had the confidence in me to present their products in the best light possible. But when it's a good product, I don't really have to exaggerate on anything because the product speaks for itself. There will be a link to the Forward Vise company in the description box. Go to their Facebook page, go to the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and you'll always have the latest videos from the Bearded Sharpener. We'll see you next time.